Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Morant Bay and we're giving you a tour of the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now this is a magnificent structure. Beautiful buildings, world-class infrastructure. But believe it or not, this facility is an epic failure. We have to put it on the list of other developments that just did not work. Now, this facility has been opened for months and it has only one tenant. To make matters worse, when it was being built, well, I shouldn't say worse, but to highlight what's going on here. This facility, when it was being built, a lot of interest was expressed in it to the point where they had more demand than they had space. But because the rent is so high at this facility, nobody is renting. Units are actually on the market for rent. Yes, this facility that was quote unquote sold out, leased out, fully booked, units are now on the market for rent. Now the only entity or business that's open at this facility months almost after it is finished is KFC. KFC is the only tenant in this massive building, this massive structure. Now, one of the problems, or the main problem, is the rent. They have priced the rent at this facility as if this facility is in Montego Bay or Kingston. But this facility is in St. Thomas. It is in Morant Bay. Nothing close to the population of Kingston. The GDP over here is nothing like the rest of the island. Yet they are charging premium rental rates, and as a result of that, businesses are not renting it. Just to give you an example, the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation has a building in Morant Bay now. They pay $300,000 a month in rent. The building that they're proposing to rent at the Morant Bay Urban Center, $10 million rent a month. From 300,000 to 10 million a month. That is the kind of rent that they are charging over here. So, obviously, the building is not open. They are still at the old facility in Morant Bay. Now, this building, this development, is managed by the Factories Corporation of Jamaica. And honestly, I don't know what they're thinking. No, it's so bad that they don't even want you to drive around the facility. I don't know if they don't realize that people, but let's leave that alone. They have blocked, that's the KFC at the front where you see the cars. The only business operating over here. The rest of the facility blocked off. They have security that does not want anybody to even drive around the facility. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. But guys, with so much, this facility has been open so long and they haven't decided to lower the rent, which probably means they're not going to. This, I'm sorry, but we have to put on the list as an epic failure. That's the municipal corporation building straight ahead in the middle. The one that building, $10 million a month. A month. On the left, that's where NCB was to put their branch. Still not open, no activity happening over there. And NCB gave Factories Corporation of Jamaica a loan for $6 billion to build this facility. I'm not sure if it was the only loan or they got other money from the government, but this facility has to pay back a $6 billion loan. I don't know if they got a moratorium period, but even so, it would have ended by now because the facility is finished. The facility is finished and one tenant in it. Epic failure. Now, with all epic failures, they can be fixed. I'm not sure why they just don't lower the rent, even if they take a loss. I'm not sure. But the longer it stays open, what happened at the Millennium Mall is going to happen here. But we'll talk about that in another video. The Morant Bay Urban Centre was promoted as a game-changing development for St. Thomas, a modern commercial hub that would create jobs, attract investment, and revive the town. Years later, the reality tells a very different story. Large sections of the complex remain empty, businesses are scarce, and foot traffic is weak. Instead of driving growth, the urban center has become a symbol of failed planning. The biggest issue is low occupancy caused by high rent. Many small businesses simply cannot afford to operate there. Morant Bay's economy has always been built on small traders and informal commerce, yet the urban center priced them out. As a result, entrepreneurs stayed on the streets while the new complex is largely unused. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.